Hey, it's Doc Williams, and in this video, we will predict the products of a synthesis reaction and then balance the chemical equation. Looking at our general equations for the different types of chemical reactions, I will assign aluminum by it being a single type of element as A, plus iodide as B. Even though we have a subscript of 2, because iodide exists as a diatom in nature, it still is considered a single compound. A plus B matches our synthesis reaction, which will give us a product of AB. Now, since we're combining a metal with a nonmetal, we know we have an ionic compound and we have to make sure that the charge is balanced. So I'm going to work over to the side, aluminum and iodide. Aluminum has a positive 3 charge, and looking at the periodic table, is in group 13, which means it has 3 valence electrons. It would prefer to lose those 3 than gain 5 more, which would means it will form a 3 positive charge for its ion. Iodide is in group 17 and has a negative 1 charge due to its 7 valence electrons. And using the crisscross method, the charge for iodide becomes the subscript for aluminum. 1 is understood, and the charge for aluminum becomes the subscript for the iodide, which is 3. So our new chemical formula for aluminum iodide is AlI3. I just use this format so that my L don't look like my I. Now let's balance the chemical equation. Aluminum and iodide on both sides. On our reactants, we have 1 aluminum but 2 iodides, and on our products, we have 1 aluminum and 3 iodides. So in this case, the first thing I'm going to do is use my lowest common multiple to balance the iodides. I have 3 on one side, 2 on the other. The lowest common multiple would be 6. So that means I will put 3 iodides on my reactants, which will give me 6, and a 2 in front of the aluminum iodide in the products, which will give me 6. Now, remember, I have to use the coefficient. I never, ever, ever, ever touch the subscripts, only change the coefficients. This will change my aluminum on my products to 2, which means I can just add a 2 in front of my aluminum on my reactants, and my equation is now balanced. The answer for this one is 2 aluminums plus 3 iodides will produce 2 aluminum iodides. As always, thank you for watching.